It's winter. Honestly, this is usually the time of the year I just want to pass faster so I can get back on the bike. Temperatures are well below zero, so riding the motorcycle isn't really an option right now. But I still like getting out, being in nature, even if it's different than usual. So today I'm spending some time outside with the van, taking things slow, no rush, no big plans, just enjoying the moment. I really enjoy moments like this, out in nature, taking things slow and just being present. At this time I can enjoy it even more because I received a few products that fit perfectly with this kind of escape. They're from OutIn, a portable espresso machine, a coffee grinder and a really well-made bag. Simple things, but when you're out here, they make a real difference. So let's take a look at what we've got. Let's see what we have in the package. First of all, there's the Flex Messenger. Features 2 dedicated slots to securely hold OT machines like Nano, FINO or MINO, ensuring perfect fit and protection. Adaptable for cross, body carry, car seat, back operation as a coffee station, bike front hanging with reflective logo for safety, and luggage road attachment, meeting needs in every journey. The 100% nylon material is water repellent, water bends and slides off, and durable, making it ideal for outdoor and daily use. Includes an 11-inch iPad compartment, key hook in the front pocket, and multiple external hooks for organizing essentials and hanging items freely. I received the cypress green color, which looks very nice by the way. The built-in waterproof pouch can store damp towels, wet waste and other moisture-containing items to achieve wet-dry isolation. Then we got the MINO portable electric espresso machine. With its rapid self-heating, you can be ready to brew in just 149 seconds, up to 22 bar for high extraction rate. Extractions at 93.3 Celsius every time. Rain or shine protection, stable high altitude extraction, extreme temperature ready, works from -15 to +45 Celsius. It has 3 batteries of 3000 mAh each. The USB-C fast charging takes you from 20% to 80% in just 45 minutes and full power in about 90 minutes. At room temperature you can make up to 6 cups and with hot water more than 500 cups. Let's see what we have in the box. We have the MINO, we have the capsule adapter, ground coffee filter basket plus shower screen. We have the foldable spoon and temper, dosing funnel, basket removal tool and USB-C cable. Last but not least, we are able to test the coffee grinder as well, the FINO portable electric coffee grinder. The upgraded grinder offers precision without limits. An external rotation dial combines 28 grain levels with stepless micro adjustment. It has a fast charging battery, 1 hour charging while using the device eliminate battery anxiety, load lock and clean in seconds with the ergonomic rotation bean hopper. It has only 690 grams, 7-blade conical burr, no calibration needed, perfect for green fresh coffee. You just have to turn, rotate and pour, double click or long press. You can make from espresso to mocha pot, aeropress, siphon, pour over or French press. It's perfectly compatible with OutIn Nano. It includes a dosing funnel and ground coffee couplet, allowing you to store your brew-ready coffee grounds. I think it's time to make some coffee.
you.